All right, guys, welcome back. You're obviously in the bonus section. I'm going to show you how to make a quick, um, basically, Facebook business profile picture for your business, um, real quick. So I use a company called Canva. So it's www.canva.com. This is a free to you program, right? So you don't have to pay any money. I'm actually already logged in, as you can see. But I use the free portion of it, right? Once you get in here, everything should be the same. You're going to go create a design. And for Facebook, so they have all these different options. But for Facebook, the actual profile picture is 180 by 180. And now in the reference section, of our website, you'll see this. I'll have this in there. This is basically a overview of all of the different sizes that Facebook uses. So for their profile picture, they use 180 by 180. It displays at 160 by 160. You don't have to worry about that. That's mobile. But we're going to make it 180 by 180. So we want to create a design, right? Click on that. Custom dimensions. And then width and height, you're going to put 180 by 180, and you want to make sure it's pixels, not inches, millimeters, or centimeters, right? So pixels, great design. It's going to bring you into the design section of the program, right? So you have all these wonderful templates that you can choose from if you want to. I'm just going to show you a simple one. If you already have a logo, you can upload. You can go right here to uploads, and you can upload your logo and drag and drop your logo directly into this. But for now, let's just say you don't have a logo and you just need something for a placeholder. We're going to do that. So what you want to start with is a background. Okay, so the best free online company that gives you free images is this company called Pixabay. So I already have it opened up, but it's www or https //pixabay.com, right? So this right here. And then you could search for images. So something that's going to stand out. Let's look for lawn. And let's find something that, like this one, is fine, right? Just something, that's green, that'll catch people's attention if they see the actual image. So for right now, just to make a logo that you can put for your profile picture, let's use this as the backdrop. Now, you don't have to do free download or anything over here. Just right click on the image and then you save the image as, and we're going to call this grass background. Okay, save it to wherever you save it on your desktop or in downloads or whatever, right? So we're going to toggle back to the untitled design, right? So we haven't figured out a title for this yet. I'll show you that later. You want to click here on uploads, right? And we're going to want to upload an image. See, you can see I already did that once, but so we want to upload lawn backdrop, and you'll see it loading here. And once that thing is gone, it's fully uploaded. So now you can click on the image and just drag it directly in here. And once it's in here, you want to expand the image to the size of the frame, right? So the frame is 180 by 180. Image doesn't fit in there. So you can move it up to the top, and then you can just drag it. And then you can move it around to see where you want the image to be. Now, if you see these horizontal and perpendicular lines that show up, as I'm moving around, it shows you exactly where the center is, right? That's what those lines are. So you have your backdrop in there. You click off the photo. Now you want to add some text to this. This gives you a ton of options for different text, templates, basically, right? For ours right now, I mean, you could search through these and do whatever kind of text you want to do. For ours right now, we're just going to do plain text, right? So I want to add a heading. You can either double click on this or you can drag this directly in. So I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to take this and adjust the size of it, right? So we don't want add a heading as our thing. So obviously I'm going to start a business, let's say, called Anchor. We'll call it Anchor Lawn Care, right? For this example. So Anchor is your first word. Once it's in there, then you want to highlight it. You want to change the size. Let's say we want the color to be, that's black and it doesn't really show up as well, and we want it to be white. So you click on this, that changes the text color. White and black are the two top colors, so you can just click on white, right? We want to go back to the actual design. We want to select the whole design, and then we can change the size. So we move it this way, and move it that way. And when you want to move it, you click off of it, and it will allow you to move it up, right? So let's call this Anchor, and then we want to do Lawn Care. So you can pick another font, you can pick the same font, you can pick 1,000 different things. I'm going to do a subheading real quick, and I'm going to put lawn. Oop. Lawn. Let's move that down. See how the perpendicular and parallel lines let you know when it's completely centered. But so we know we're centered horizontally or vertically, and then this would be centered horizontally. But we want to take this, we want to turn it white as well to match with that, and then we can click off of this over here, click on that, and then we can adjust the size just by dragging. Clicking on that little sign and dragging, and then we can try to find the center. And now let's do care. We can use whatever. I mean, you can change all these fonts. I'll show you real quick. So, whoop. So we want to turn this. Okay, let's say we want to turn this back to white as well to match everything else. And we want to enlarge it to where it fits. Let's say we want a different font, right? So you can double click on it, which highlights this whole thing. And then you can go to the font, and you can pick whatever you like. Actually, that would look good on lawn. So what is that? Abyss. So let's change this to that. Oh, that doesn't look that great. Oh, let's see. And let's switch this one back to the same font as that. April 5th. So all right, let's just use this. Oops. Let's use that for now, just so you guys get the idea. Then you're going to want to download this, right? So you can click on here to change the name of the download file. So we'll leave it as Anchor. and you want to download, right? You want to download a PNG. So click on that on suggested. Transparent background doesn't matter for right now. And then download. That's going to download your PNG directly to wherever you have your download set. And then we're going to take that file and upload it into the business page for the profile photo. So that'll be another video. Thank you guys very much for listening to this bonus video, and we'll see you out there.